up, guys? We are back with another video. We are not doing slime today, but we are doing something special. What we are going to be doing today are fidget spinners. Now, before we do anything, we're going to reveal these bad boys. So this one is a two-sided one. It has a magnet right here. So it's pretty good. Okay.
How long does it spin?
It spins for like
4 minutes.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. And then this one I got at my school. Something's in it so it doesn't spin very long. It used to spin for like 2 minutes, but now it spins for like
10 seconds.
Yeah, like 10 or 15 seconds. This one, this had bearings. This was a light up one, but the bearings got lost, and so it's just this. And I put the little CB, TB, me, and Taylor. So this one spins for about
2 minutes.
2 minutes. This one, my dad got Taylor. This one spins for
6 minutes, 41 seconds.
6 minutes, 41 seconds. And this is just blue.
So these two are the ones that spin the longest in the house. This one comes in second place.
This one, my pink one, my dad got it for me. This one spins for $6.50. I beat Taylor and he was so mad, but
yes.
You know, it's kind of broken because these things keep coming out, but
pop off.
It still spins.
Yep.
You just have to hold it. So, now we are going to be picking one to play with, and we will be
Let's do a
showing you
contest here. All right, let's do a contest.
on the table.
Up in the air. 3, 2, 1, go.
And look, it makes a little moon shape. It's so cute.
Yeah, you can see it right there on the screen.
Yeah, and then you can see Taylor's blue one right there.
I wonder who's going to win. I feel like mine is.
No.
Yeah, mine hasn't slowed down.
Mine hasn't either.
I'm surprised he spent for 6 minutes. Like, we literally timed it. We are not lying to y'all guys.
We never lied.
So we did have a gold.
We never
I did have a gold one.
Guys,
but
we never lie.
I had a gold one, and guess what happened? So I didn't know that water rusted metal. So then I put it in water, and it spun very good in the water. But when I got it out, it spun for about 5 seconds. Oh, Sierra! She is already slowing down.
No, that wasn't supposed to happen. Mine still spins longer than yours.
Wow.
You know why it stopped?
Because the bearings.
The bearings. And you know that thing that pulls it? Guys, y'all know, you know that thing that, like, gets in it? Like, you know that little, can you get that one?
Yep.
Sorry, guys. You know that little thing that has, you know that little circle that keeps it in?
Yeah.
All mine got lost, and that's what's supposed to keep it spinning for how long it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
I lost mine, that's why.
So, guys, this is the end of the video. So, thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment down below if you have a fidget spinner. And bye, guys.
She said it for me. Bye, guys.